I think a lot of people abangaziyo already know that I'm very outspoken about the fact that I've struggled with depression and sometimes still do struggle with depression. Abanye bathi kusiyona into ekufanele uyivume ukuthi you struggle with it, which is very funny because uma ngabe strugglisha with something, you need to get help for it. You need to get help, and you need to know what your help comes from. Umuntu kanje, nomuntu kanje, nomuntu kanje. So when people struggle with a lot of stress causes a lot of distress emzimbeni. Chemically, kukhona izinto ezenzakalayo engqondweni, and that leads to depression. And there are different forms of depression. Kukuningi, and I am not a professional in the field of psychological health. I can only speak about stuff that I've gone through. What I know for sure is you need to be able to speak to someone so that you are able to get help. You need to be able to express what it is that is bothering you, because often it is the things that we don't deal with that just that pile up inside, and eventually we just need to let go, let someone know. Usually it needs to be someone that is professional. It needs to be someone that will keep your information confidential, because you cannot go around just telling anyone and everyone about what it is that is bothering you. And it needs to be a professional person who is going to guide you and make you see at which stage you are in of your mental health issues. You get guided by professional people. But most importantly, what happens is when you are in that place, in that very dark place, because it's very dark, just talking helps. It gets to a point sometimes where people's personalities are affected by depression. You find that you cannot leave even your room. You sleep, and you cannot get up, and you sleep, and you draw the curtains, uvale kube mnyama endlini, ungafuni ukukhuluma namuntu, ungafuni kwenzeke lutho, kuthiwe uyahlupha, kuthiwe uyahlanya, kuthiwe unjani. And that's when you have severe depression. That's really sometimes where you need to be hospitalized. And there are psychiatric departments in hospitals. There are psychiatric divisions that take care of people with mental health issues. So umuntu sometimes ufika to a point where they are suicidal. Umuntu ukuthi akayibulale, umuntu angazi. It's because there's a lot going on chemically. You are imbalanced engqondweni, and that is why it gets to a point where a psychologist works together with a psychiatrist ukuze bakunike some form of help uzokwazi ukuthi usizakale, uthola i-medication, uthole ama-antidepressants azokwazi ukuthi akubhalansise emotionally, ukwazi ukubhalansa and calm you down. Amanye akusiza ukwazi ukulala, because sometimes awukwazi nanokulala, ucabanga kakhulu. So chemically you are balanced. So, and sometimes uthola ukuthi khona into ekuhluphayo kanti it is not it's not mental, it is spiritual. And that's when you go to a traditional healer. A traditional healer will then a traditional healer, either isangoma noma umthandazi, are the ones that usually they are diviners. They are able to tell what is going on in your spiritual space. They're able to communicate with your spiritual beings, with your ancestors, that step forward and say, this is what is going on in this person's spiritual space. And sometimes it is a calling for you to accept the fact that you are a channel through which the ancestors want to speak, through which your ancestors actually want to help people that are in the world. And isikhathi esiningi lokho kufika ngathi umuntu uyaphazamiseka, kuse ngathi umuntu uyahlanya, kuse ngathi umuntu izinto zakhe zonke ivaleka, awutholi imisebenzi, akuhambi kahle. Uthi uyazama, ushadile, kuyabhidlika, une-boyfriend, kuyabhidlika, unentombi, kuyabhidlika, kubhidlika into ey'ningi uma ngabe sekufaneke ubizo lwakho uli-recognize ukuthi I accept ukuthi mina I have a gift, mina I have a gift of being either umthandazi. And when you are mthandazi, you are basically a spiritualist. You pray, and that's how you assist, and you work through the Holy Spirit, and you work through your ancestors. It is a very strange thing when you hear it mawungekho kuyo. So, and sometimes umuntu uyisangoma, which means they heal traditionally through traditional medicine, and basebenzisa idlozi ukuthi bakwazi ukucommunicate nama ancestors omuntu, namadlozi omunye umuntu. Kukhona isithunywa, of which that is the part. Isithunywa sisetshenziswa kakhulu abantu abaphenduki abathandazi. Kukhona izangoma ezisebenzisa idlozi ukuze zikwazi ukuthi zicommunicate nabakini uma ngabe ufikile, naba abakubo lowo muntu oyisangoma, bazokucommunicate and say inkinga yalo muntu ila nala nala.